Hello students, welcome to our channel. This is Kalyan and I'm the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. In this class, we are going to discuss three simple problems based on trigonometric identities from 10th standard CBSE. Even these problems can be solved even for ICSE and IGCSE also. Right, anyways, so now let us start doing this problem here. This is the first one now. Let me write solution part. See this, we have given like this. We need to prove 1 minus sine square theta into secant square theta equal to 1. In this, we need to take this is LHS and this is RHS. Taking this LHS, we need to obtain RHS. Now take this LHS part. That is 1 minus sine square theta into secant square theta is LHS. Now, let me multiply this secant square theta with every term of this inside bracket. Okay, secant square theta into 1. Secant square theta minus sine square theta into secant square theta. Now, just let me do one small arrangement. Here we know that secant theta equal to what? 1 by cos theta or not? Exactly, because here secant theta and cos theta are reciprocals of each other. So we can write this secant theta as 1 by cos theta. So secant theta whole square as 1 by cos theta whole square. That would be your 1 by cos square theta. Right? So here this is secant square theta minus this is sine square theta into this is 1 by cos square theta as we said. Now, let me write this like a secant square theta minus. This can be written as sine square theta by cos square theta or not? Exactly. Sine square theta by cos square theta. And what is the ratio between sine theta and cos theta? Yes, that is tan theta. So we can write it as tan theta, where here square is there. So we can put the square to tan theta also. So here secant square theta minus this is tan theta for that square. So that would be a tan square theta. What did you observe here? There is a standard identity of trigonometry that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So is it 1 or not? So this equal to what? 1. Okay. Here is it RHS or not? Exactly. So hence we proved it. Means we took LHS part, that is this, okay, and we successfully obtained RHS part. Okay, this is your first problem, very simplest one, means very ground level applications. Okay, now coming to next one. Okay, let me do the next one here. See here, cos square, let me write the solution. Okay, now cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. That would be your LHS part. Okay, your LHS part would be this. Now do one thing. Cos square theta should be multiplied with the inner terms of the bracket. Cos square theta times of 1 means cos square theta into 1. That would be your cos square theta. Plus cos square theta into tan square theta. Okay, now further what can we do? Write this cos square theta as it is plus this cos square theta into. Now tan theta can be further expressed as the ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So what can we write here? Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and since here square is there, so we can write this sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, now as you know, cos square theta can be cancelled in numerator and denominator part, and what is left over? Here cos square theta plus this would be your sin square theta, this is your sin square theta. Now tell me, is it a standard identity of trigonometry or not? This is the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to how much? Value of it would be 1. So therefore here also we took LHS part and we obtained what? RHS part. So this is also RHS. Okay, so hence it is proved. We successfully took LHS and we obtained RHS. Like this we can prove it. This is also one simplest application and which was given in CBSE 92. Okay, the next one. Here cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta equal to 1 we need to show here. Understand? Again, take this LHS part and obtain this. Now LHS part would be, your solution is, okay, LHS part equal to what? Cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta. This would be our LHS part. Now let me do some simplification using third trigonometric identity. What is the, I will take, see, write this cos square theta as it is. Now for writing the second term, okay, let me take the advantage of third trigonometric identity, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So now see this, if you send this cot square theta to another side of the equation, what does it become? Cosecant square theta, see here this is cosecant square theta equal to this 1 plus, here sign changes to minus to plus or not, so that would be plus cot square theta. Now this 1 plus cot square theta can be expressed as what? Cosecant square theta. Wherever you find 1 plus cot square theta, you can replace it with what? Cosecant square theta. So here 1 by 1 plus cot square theta can be replaced by cosecant square theta, right? Now what is your next step? Now as you know that, okay, cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta, can we write like this or not? Because cosecant theta and sin theta are reciprocals of each other from the basic trigonometric ratios. Okay, so sin theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta and cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, because those two are reciprocals of each other. So here what can we do? Here we can write 1 by cosecant square theta as sin square theta or not? Yes. Cos square theta plus 1 by cosecant theta is sin theta. Since we have square here, we can put here square also. Right, so tell me what it is again. This is also first trigonometric identity, which is standard one. So what is the value of this? This would be 1. Did we obtain our required result or not? And that would be equal to your RHS part. So since we proved it, hence we proved it. So we took LHS and we obtained RHS again. So like this we can solve. This is also one simpler sort of application from trigonometric identities, and this question is also given in CBSE 1992. And one more thing, students, these problems are not only related to CBSE. See, I'm going to conduct the classes, I'm going to record the classes based on CBSE curriculum. It doesn't mean that trigonometry exists only for CBSE student. These all the problems can be given in either CBSE or ICSE or IGCE or any state board syllabus. For any curriculum, syllabus remains same. For any syllabus, trigonometry is trigonometry only. Okay, there will be no change at all. So this can be useful for all the syllabus. Okay, so I think you would have understood this. If you did not understand anything, or if you want anything else from us, don't forget to put your comments. Okay, we will follow that comment session, and based on those comments, we are going to make the videos.